Alright, second vlog natin. We're taking advantage of the break time. Tapos kami mag-batch 1 namin kanina. CBA namin, and Customs Administration, BSBA, and Accountancy. And today, aming mga iba pang courses. And Edu, I'm waiting for you. Alright, what is the timeline of your success? Since nandito tayo sa graduation, pag-usapan natin yung timeline ng success mo. What is the timeline of your success? May timeline ka ba? Diba? Ang timeline na ito yung kung kailan mo nakikita yung sarili mo na successful. So kung ikaw graduate, napakaganda simula ng yung timeline. Kung ikaw na may edad na, OFW ka dito sa Pilipinas, empleyado, may negosyo, o simpleng tao lang, still dapat meron tayong timeline of success. Diba? Ano yung timeline of success mo? Ilang taon ang hinihintay mo? Alright? Ilang taon pa hinihintay mo to be successful? Ilang taon ang hinihintay mo para maging ka successful? Diba? That's your timeline. Okay? Ilang years ang nakalaan para makapag-start ka ng negosyo mo? Did you write your timeline? Diba? Ilang taon ang nilagay mo bago ka makapag-start ng yung investment? Did you write your timeline on your investment? Ilang taon bago ka makauwi dito, magkabahay, magkakotse, diba? And be your own boss. Be the owner of your own company. Diba? It's high time for you to write the timeline of your success. Sabi ko nga, we're running out of time. Anong petsa na, diba? Nasa na tayo? Ilang taon na nakaraan? Ilang taon na yung pinalampas natin? So, what is the timeline of your success? Ilang taon na yung lumipas, diba? Hindi ba sapat na yung wasted years mo? Hindi ba sapat na yung mga nasayang mong panahon? Hindi ba sapat na yung mga panahon na pinalampas mo? Yung nireject mong promotion? Yung opportunity na hindi mo pinansin? Yung business opportunity na pinabaya mo? Yung business partnership na nireject mo? Yung business proposal na hindi mo inayos, di ba? So yan ka na sana eh. Kaya lang, you rejected it. So, babalik ka ngayon sa zero. But it's not yet late, alright? So, what you're going to do now is sit down, write your plans, sulat mo rin yung timeline of your success. Gaano katagal ang gusto mong marating ang mga pangarap mo. Okay? Ang mahalaga, may timeline ka. In 1 year, 2 years, may investment ka na ba? May negosyo ka na? Diba? Matured ka na? Nabago na? Naiwan mo na yung mga bisyo mo na yan? Nag-improve ka na? So, what is the timeline of your success? Okay? Write it down. It's not yet late. Alright? So, Gilibers, hindi pa uli ang lahat para ka maglagay ng timeline. Okay? So, please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin kay OFW dito sa Pilipinas para sama-sama tayo mabago at tumulad natin buhay. Alright? So, thank you very much, Gilibers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yan. Let's go, let's go.